Oh dear. Okay, so I'm still having issues with dogs. So if you guys have been watching my videos, it's all about the dogs. So I'm gonna go to my previous page. I'm gonna take this data. Now, what they're gonna do is they want the load. They want us to pick the high and the low of this information down here, not necessarily cost. I'm used to doing the cost. That's not what they're gonna do in this one. So I went ahead and created an Excel file. And I've already identified the high, the high and the low. So here's my high, here's my low. Now let's look at my difference. What's my difference? Well, it's going to be 5,500. And I'm just going to drag that formula over, and that's going to be 400. I'm going to take the 5,500 divided by the 400. I get 1375. Then, because I need to, I'm going to double check this over here. So I'm going to come over and take that 100 and multiply it by the 1375, 500, multiply it by the 1375. Then what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to do my total cost, which I already know is 2,000. And I already know this one, it's 7,500. Now, if I've done this correctly, it's going to give me my fix by going 2,000 minus 1,375. I get 625. Let's check and see if it's correct over here too. It is. That's my high-low method. So I can also do it this way too. And I'm just going to show you. And I might have to change something. We'll check it out and see what happens in just a minute. So I'm going to come up. That's not what I wanted. I wanted this. To go to more functions, and my slope and interception or slope and intercept are already there. So let's go ahead, put that right there and not off in the middle of nowhere. So I'm going to have my slope, and I may have to change my y's and my x's. I think my y's are going to be right here, and my x's are going to be here. And I always go backwards. So I got 1239. It's probably right. And same thing, I'm going to go and find my intercept. And again, there we go. This is my y's. And this is my x's. And I'm gonna hit the enter. And that's so this is my variable and that's my fixed. Okay. So that's an easy way of going in there and doing that using our formulas. And we use slope and intercept. You saw how I did that. And I just had so much fun doing it. So I'm going to try to take this data and I need to find the scatter plot because I promised you I would do a scatter plot. So let me go find that and I will start the video up again.